One baby squirrel. Two baby squirrel. Three baby squirrel. One down there. One right there. One over there. I got all the babies out. Little siblings. I think they've made quite the mess. But they're so adorable. We just don't care. They're just hanging out with me. You can call me Snow White if you want. I love them. They are very, very adorable. Should be illegal to be this cute. Should be criminal. These are cute criminals. Get a little close up. Munching away. Always keeping an eye out. That one's just hiding from me. Pretend you don't see anything. And this guy over here, girl, she likes to be in the sunshine. We got Peanuts down there. We got Peanuts over there. Big old bowl of peanuts over here. This girl's like, I got the good stuff. Yep, we're just hanging out. Sun finally came out. Came over for lunch. Okay, bye. Okay, bye for real.